there. Today I show you my creative photo template portrait effect, how to use it and custom it. There is previously applied some a photo. See the looking. This is the presentation. And this is the our effect. You can change very easily the letter and type there your name and designation. We have include all character. So just paste your photo and name and designation. So how to do this and custom this, just show you now. Okay, first go my download file. There is show PSD file and preview file, and this is the help file. This is our supporting information there include. If you need any kind of help, you just contact this info. Okay, this is the PSD file. Double click, it's open your Photoshop. Now there is the photo replacement need first. So your photo replace there. Here click, double click there, and this is the new window, and you replace there. This is the guideline for your photo face point. And now I have opened a photo. I like to open this photo, and quick selection tool, then select subject button, click. Now is make PNG. You need to replace their PNG photo. So this is the easy way to make your photo PNG. Now this is selection and the marks button, click. Now your photo is the PNG mode, and move it the placement of our, this is the face point, the square box, and also the hide this black option. See, hide this. And now if you think is okay, or you need to make it large or small, so finish your job. Then file and save button, click this position. This is saving. Wait a time. So now check out your main template. So photo is replaced, see there. And how to custom it now. This is the text option, so you can write the text very easily. So this is the text editing option. Just view this one, and this is the designation, and this is the spelling your name. So you can type there anything. And you can change the color very easily. Select text tool, select there, and the color option, click. Now you can change the color very easily, any of color. And this is the designation option. So double click this text, and you can change the designation. You need to change color by separate, click selection and change color. See, okay. And there is the option. This is the text only, do not need this replacement option. There is no need to change. There is the Sandblast option. You can check out this Sandblast. And the paper, that means the watercolor flavor. We have include two type of paper, like on the only for marks area, like our focus area, and another paper is the full of area. If you need to make the PNG, this photo, so you do not use this full area, you just use the max area, only max area, this one, the number one, paper effect number one. There is the Sandblast option, this is the sun light option, and this is the glow option. If you do not want this, you can do not use this, just hide the layer. But this is the make the concept for Sandblasting. This is a thankful concept. Okay, there is the letter, all letter are include there, you just change the letter, uncheck the I, make sure all letter uncheck, and you just pick out your option, like I want to K, there is the K, and I want to A, and select it. If you want to move it, do not change the photo moving, just select the letter and move it. You can move very easily any of place. Okay, any of area. Just make sure you select the text, not photo, only text. And there is another, so it must be check out the another one, view this one, uncheck one and view another one. See, okay, I think use this one now. And okay, there is a lettering option, see the lettering option, and effect making is there, view this one, and there is the adjustment. You do not need to the black color, this is the concept of black color, but if you want the real color, you can check out the just a black layer option, then your real photo color is showing. And if you want to change the black color, watercolor painting, this is the back watercolor art, and you can click this one, the color option, view I, and the color is show, double click the color option and change the color module. See, you can replace any of color very easily by one click. Use this option and another option, another. Okay, but I like to default color black one. Okay, and there is the extra brush, see, extra backer, so you can use it if you think. And check out the all, if you need to customize or move of area, you can move very easily. We have used the separate layer. And there is the shadow option, the text shadow, you can go there and move it very easily, shadow point, like any of area, you can very easily make shadow. Now we can use transparent PNG, just uncheck the layer, background layer, and make sure there is one thing, paper option is half, or you can uncheck the paper, there is no paper show. Okay, use the paper, just max point if you need to PNG it, and very easily save it the PNG option. Okay, quick export PNG, very easily save the PNG, transparent PNG. And okay, this is the finish, and you can use another photo. I just show you how to match another photo. See our decoration, we have present the Facebook post and mock painting, t-shirt painting. T-shirt painting you can use any of place, because you can make very easily PNG or any of post. Now I have used this photo, quick selection tool and select subject button. transform it. I have delayed my another one or unchecked this one. Ctrl T, transform it and make the position. Save button click. Now check out, see, if you think the move position top or left, you can move it left or top, just top and save again. So check out now, see the it's a top position and I have less the background there. I change, now we can change the color very easily, background color. Just OK button click and it's changed. See the concept. Thanks for see this video. Still if you need any kind of help, you can send a message, our WhatsApp number, our Facebook and email. This is our one site photoshopaction.net. You can download free file. This is the free file. There are more premium file for free, now limited time only. See the free file option, so you can download very easily free file and download our premium product also.